Hey guys, it's Heather. Welcome back to my channel. I just got back from a huge haul. I went to like 5 different stores searching for some nice fall decor. And I went to Home Goods, I went to Hobby Lobby, Michael's, where else did I go? Kirkland, and Bath and Body Works. So I'm gonna show you everything that I got. I'm not sure of the theme yet that I wanna do. I'm thinking I really like this blue color. And I'm liking this really pretty sparkly pumpkins that I picked up from At Home. They're like a total dupe for the ones on the Pottery Barn website. I am not sure on the color scheme yet that I want to go with. It's either going to be like the blues and the whites. And then I got this really pretty like peach velvet pumpkin at Home Goods. I could only find a few of them. But Home Goods is so hit or miss, as you guys probably know. Then I just got some like golds and some really pretty teal. And then this really cool blue shade. It's like a bluish gray. Totally matches my nails. And then I also got like a peachy, another like pinkish color, and some other just garland. And then every season I like to make like my own floral arrangement with like flowers, and then I'll do a filler. For the summer and the spring, I had the lemons in it with the hydrangea and the flowers, so I'm thinking of doing those really pretty blue flowers in here and then doing some type of a vase filler. And then I got these really cute like little bowl fillers with the little pumpkins in them and the pine cones. And then I got this one that has the pine cones in it and then the tiny little pumpkins. And then just some more fillers in this color too. These I got at Hobby Lobby. Everything from Hobby Lobby I think was like 40% off. At Michael's it was like buy one, get one free. So there were a lot of really good deals. And then of course I stopped into Bath and Body Works and got 5 fall candles. So these are the 5 I got, and this PB&J one, oh my God, it smells so good. I was hesitant at first and then I smelt it and I think it's my favorite one out of the bunch. The notes are fresh strawberry jam, toasted bread, crunchy peanut butter, honey, and then essential oils. And then I got the vanilla pumpkin marshmallow. This is a go-to favorite of mine every year. The notes in this one are Tunisian vanilla, pumpkin spice, homemade marshmallow, caramel, and essential oils. Oh, and I got all of these for, I think each candle was $10 off, so I ended up saving like over $50. And then Welcome Home, this one is so good, and I just thought that the packaging was so pretty. And the fragrance notes are cinnamon sugar, warm apple butter, clove buds, brown sugar, and essential oils. This one is another, I feel like they're all my favorite. And then I got Gather, which I thought was a really cool scent. This one is glazed apples, maple sugar, creamy vanilla. They're just like the perfect touch of sweet. They're not too like overpowering. They're just such nice scents. Fall candles are definitely my favorite from Bath and Body Works. And then the last one I got was warm apple pie. They only had like 2 of these left at the store I was at. And the notes are Granny Smith apple, melted brown sugar, homemade crust, and essential oils. I cannot wait to burn these. And then one other thing that I got that I thought was so cool, and I just love these 2 colors together for fall. I think I'm gonna decorate my office upstairs in these colors, but I picked this up from Hobby Lobby, and I just thought it was so pretty. Just the colors in it, and then with the gray, it's just so pretty. I'm gonna put that in my office. And then I was doing some shopping online on Kirkland's website, and I found this gorgeous wreath. I just thought it was so pretty. And I just love the way the white pumpkins look with the green. And I got it for 35% off. I think it was originally $54.99. And I think if you use the code favorites, you might be able to get 35% off an item, but it's like per email address. So I ordered this one with 1 email address, and then I ordered this garland with my husband's. I thought this was so pretty, and I think I'm gonna put it on my mantle. And I'll probably just take off these checkered pumpkins. They are super cute, but I think I'm gonna mix in a different color, so it's kind of distracting. So I think I'll probably just take those ones off. And then this garland was $25, and I also got 35% off of this one as well. So I'm gonna light some candles and then start decorating. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys liked it and you found it inspirational, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.